Let's see what AI gives me.
AI, that's for the lazy people like you. I don't need this bullshit though. You always take shortcuts?
No. No shortcuts.
Only smart guys.
Design required till 5 p.m. Okay, it will be done before time. Design till 5 p.m. I have plenty of time. I will do it later.
Bro, really?
For now, OMG, that's nice. Just need a bit of human touch.
That's too easy. Cheater.
It can't be a real design because it takes real efforts. Wow, AI suggested fonts.
Fantastic, right?
I don't need any tool. I can feel the font from inside.
Okay.
So what's that?
Comic Sans.
Mock-up and design both ready. Yes.
Bro, that meme isn't gonna meet your deadline.
It might.
Okay?
Wow, logo is nice. Loved it. Perfectly. Yeah. Deadline missed. Give design to someone else.
You still think AI a joke?
If your AI is so smart, can it write up excuses and talk to my angry client?
But you are doing it the wrong way.
Shut up. Hello AI, make design now for me. Please.
You seems stressed. Try yoga.
Okay. If AI blends ideas, that must do. Despite being skillful, that guy couldn't match the speed and missed the deadline. To avoid this kind of creative chaos and being disappointed, don't avoid artificial intelligence. Embrace it, learn it, master it, use it. Because in the world of design, either you evolve or get left behind. So let's collaborate with artificial intelligence and work together. If you really like this video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe my channel for more amazing update. And don't forget to see AI part 1 on my channel. I'm gonna release AI part 3 very soon. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.